Hey friends, it's me Stace. Welcome back to another Friday PIP, which is our Pinterest inspired project. And today we're making this really cute layered card. There's the outside, then we have the inside. So to get started, you will need a piece of cardstock that is 4 1/4 by 11. You want to score that at 5 1/2. Same color. This is 2 1/4 by 3 1/2. You'll need an accent color, and I chose brown. You will need one of those that measure 4 by 5 1/4. This one is 1 3/4 by 4. This is 1 1/2 by 4 1/2. You'll need some white. You need one that is 4 by 5 1/4. This one is 3 3/4 by 5. This one is 2 by 3 1/4. Then two different pieces of pattern paper. This one is 1 1/4 by 4 1/4. This one is 1 1/2 by 3 3/4. The stamps that I'm using is by beebeecraft. It is a super cute monster one. I mean, great for Halloween, great for little ones. It's called Cute Monsters. I'm using this one right here. This does come with the coordinating dies, so I already went ahead and cut my little monster out to save time. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is take our card base, fold that in half, crease it really well so it lays flat for you. Then we have our brown layer. That's going to be our accent color to go on top of that. We're going to adhere that to that one, just like that. Then on the white one, I do want to stamp, so I'm going to grab the smaller of the white. This was 3 3/4 by 5. I'm going to grab my brown ink, and we're going to stamp Hey Little Monster on there. And I'm going to do that in the upper right-hand corner. And this is from that same stamp set. I'm going to bring it toward me so I can get my head over it to see it. Okay, just like that. All right, now while we're here, I did smudge that. You know what, I'm going to flip it over and stamp it again. I was going to grab my mono eraser, but I thought, you know what, we'll just flip it over. Okay, so we have that one. On the inside, which is our 4 by 5 1/4, we're going to stamp the little rocket, or the spaceship, I guess, in orange ink. I'm using orange zest. I'm going to stamp that in the lower right hand corner. And then back to my brown, I'm going to stamp the word eek and put that right here at the very bottom as well. Okay, so the inside of the card is done and the outside. So all of our stamping is done. We can go and set those aside and close those up. So the paper, the orange cardstock is by Paper Tray Ink. It's called Orange Zest. And the brown is also Paper Tray Ink. That one is called Cocoa Bean. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and put that up there. So I've seen this on Pinterest. I did adjust the measurements a little bit because she used, you know, like the 7/8 and 5/8, and I thought, I'm not a fan of working in those, so I just made it my own. All right. I'm just going to take our paper and glue that to the brown piece. And the paper is also Paper Tray Ink. This is called Hocus Pocus. Really cute Halloween papers. I'm a little bit crooked on that one. Let me go and take that off of there. All right, let's reposition that towards straight. There we go, much better. Okay, let's do this one. That one on this one. Okay. All right, so now we're going to take this piece, put our adhesive on it. We're going to put this on the left-hand side, kind of, I guess, in the middle, up and top and bottom, like that. I'm going to take this one. That's going to go a little bit below so I can be able to see the Hey Little Monster greeting. All right, then we have the orange layer and our white layer. So what I want to do first is adhere my white to the orange layer here. All right, then I'm going to take some twine and I'm going to first go across the front like that, and then bring it through this side and bring it through this side and tie that into a knot or a bow. I like working with twine, the jute twine. I just think it's really fun to work with, but mine came on like a little spool like this, so it has that curl in it. So it's a tad bit more difficult to get the bow. All right, make that nice and tight. And I don't want the bow to be really large either. Okay, so I think right there looks pretty good. I'm gonna grab my tails and go ahead and cut them off. All right, now we're gonna flip this over, and I'm gonna put a piece of tape behind that just to hold that twine in place so it doesn't move on me. And I'm gonna put some foam squares on the back. I think just 5 is fine. Otherwise, we put it on the card with that twine there, because we have the 2 layers, it's going to be kind of bulky. All right, just going to take the backing off of these. Alrighty. And we're going to layer this in the center of this one. I think right there is pretty good. Okay. And we're going to take a little Munster and put some foam squares on him as well, so it's going to be double popped up. But I think the Munster definitely needed some dimensions to him. So the stamp set, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different Munsters. Then you get like a spaceship, rockets, all different kinds of fun things with that. And like I said, it also has all the dies, even for the phrases. Really good value. All right, so there is that. There's the front. I'm just going to open it up and bring our inside piece in. And our card is done. Get it in there straight. Okay, so there is that card. There is that card, and as usual, I have a card kit for you, so you can make, because this has the envelope, so you can make one and mail one, because I also include the finished card with an envelope as well. So to be entered into the Win the Card Kit, leave me a comment below with some kind of Halloween emoji, and I'll pick a winner this coming Sunday. So 2 more days, I'll pick a winner. So if you entered any of the card kit winning or videos for this week, make sure you watch this Sunday's video. But I will have a link to beebeecraft, which is where this stamp set came from, and I'll also have a direct link to the stamp set. Super cute for this time of year. Like I said, they're very cartoonish. They're not scary monsters at all. There's all kinds of little sayings. Have a screaming good time. We have boo, eek, monster hugs, hey little monster footprints, little all different kinds of like space shuttles and things like that. So really, really cute. And again, a great value because you get all the dies, and they coordinate with every single piece, even like the little word eek. There's a die for that. But anyway, my friends, there you have it. Super cute little Munster card, our Pinterest inspired project. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.